Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a division flower, updated. Begin by gathering tools and pots and sanitizing everything to protect roots. Gently remove the plant from its pot and shake loose soil to expose root clumps. Look for natural separations or offsets and plan where to cut. Keep a damp towel handy to cover exposed roots while you work to maintain humidity and reduce shock. Carefully separate the root ball into sections with clear crowns to preserve growth points. Use a clean, sharp knife or pruners and make decisive cuts through soil and roots without tearing. Trim away rotten material and damaged roots, keeping as much healthy root mass as possible. Place each division in a prepared pot with fresh potting mix, firm gently, and water to settle the soil around roots for good contact. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold between chores and fits easily in garden pockets. It's become my go-to for long work sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it during your next potting session. Now let's get back to the video. After potting, keep divisions in a humid, stable spot with bright indirect light to encourage recovery. Water sparingly at first, then gradually increase as new leaves emerge to avoid root rot. If leaves wilt, mist gently and check roots for disease or dryness. Fertilize lightly after several weeks once growth resumes to support strong roots and blooms. With steady care, your divisions will establish and reward you with healthy growth and flowers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.